Yeah, it's ready. It's clearly ready. We're gonna eat this thing. I mean, all it's gonna take is for me to get up and move and ducks will come in, so. I'm gonna go for the pheasant. I just saw it. Yeah, I'm gonna go try to get it. Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby! Sweet! Look at that. Now we're talking. Now that's a duck right there. Come on, look at that. He's gonna love it. Oh, that's cool, man.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm gonna go check that out down there. Let's go. There's another one. There's another one. Little young guy. Stinking cool, man. That's my first ever wood duck.
Oh, you're kidding me.
First one.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
He is unbelievable.
Isn't that cool?
I just can't get over it.
I know, what a spectacular bird.
What a beautiful bird.
They are the best.
I mean, that's a morning right there. Look at that.
That is so freaking cool. I love this.
Awesome. What a great morning.
Great morning.
Beautiful birds. What a cool hunt. I mean, terrible hunt, but ended up being a pretty neat one. She's beautiful. Change of plans on the wood duck. That wood duck took some pellets real hard in the back leg, back right leg, and it was just bloodshot, all that meat. So with half of the back leg destroyed, I decided to just breast it out. I'll cook these over the fire like this, and we'll do the pheasant as well and try them both. We've got the goods ready to go. The pheasant, the wood duck, the stuffings. Let's make a fire. garlic. I had a little bit of audio issues. We'll do a bit of a voiceover here. So we are prepping the meat, butter. Rub that on. We'll grab the onion here, shove that inside. We'll take the garlic. I want some garlic on top. Rub that around. Shove some of it inside. Grab this basil, put that inside as well. Just get it all crammed down in there. Okay, time for the lemon. Squeeze a little lemon on this. A little bit of pepper here. Actually, a lot of pepper. Let's do some salt. Again, a lot of salt. Let's throw it on. Okay, we're gonna try the wood duck. A little crispy. Cooked well. Judge number 2. Come here, Wibby. Come here, pup. Sit. I think he approves. I mean, that's okay. Not great. Not as good as the teal or the mallard we had earlier, but I mean, it'll do. Come, pop. Last piece. That's about how good it is. Let's go, baby. A Christmas goose. I don't have to put that in. Oh, that looks amazing. Ooh, not too shabby. Oh, it smells delicious. That's amazing. Oh yeah. Are you trying to zoom in the middle of the shot?
I was trying to zoom back out.
That is amazing. That is way better than the wood duck. That is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. We're trying to grow the channel. We're trying to create some great content. Definitely subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.